What's going on, guys? As y'all can tell by the title, it is late at night and I kind of wanted some burgers, so I'm on my way to go get some burgers. And I was like, what better time to film a POV at nighttime, because I haven't did a nighttime POV in like a year, and I've been wanting to do it in this car for the longest because the nighttime POVs will be perfect in this car. I just don't know why I never did it. Oh, let me show you my favorite part at night. Hold on. Light to green. I hope it shows up on camera. Hold on, let's see. It doesn't show up on camera, I'm not sure, but the sky lounge up there is the same color as the ambient lighting. That's my favorite part of driving this car at night, is just the lighting. And I don't know about y'all, but like purple's like my favorite as far as the ambient lighting goes. It seems like it's a lot of people's favorite. I'd like the pink too, but the purple's kind of hard, not gonna lie. You could tell it's late out here. I have nobody on the highway. Okay, nice little IS over there. Is that a Tome? It's a Tome dot? Sound like he got a nice little exhaust on the IS. I don't know about y'all, but ISs are clean, man. At one point, I really liked them cars. Lexus ISs. I've been seeing a lot of the ISF, or is it RCF? I believe it's one of them too. They look pretty clean as well, man. A lot of clean cars out there. We just got to decide what we're gonna get next. Obviously, we're keeping this bad boy. We also keeping the E92 as well. That's never going nowhere. But comment down below, let me know what y'all think would be nice for the channel. I've been seeing Z06s and C6s go viral lately. As y'all know, in our last video, we did see a nasty C6, and it kind of had me thinking, not gonna lie, it kind of had me thinking, should I go pick up a C6, man? Nice little car, and build it for the channel. I always wanted a Corvette C6, always been my favorite. I don't necessarily have to go Z06. I kind of like the LS2 engine and LS3. I love the sound of it. But yeah, man, if you come across a Z06, that'd be sweet too. Nothing like that 7-liter V8. This little Honda's flying. I gotta get off right here. But yeah, man, it's just gonna be a quick little POV, something to chill to. Quick little post for you guys. Haven't posted a POV for you guys in a while. I've just been posting straight car content, straight videos, straight vibes. I know y'all been loving it. I've been loving the interactions. Appreciate you guys, man. Let's get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We're like 1.4 right now. Whoa, there's a shooting star just in the sky. I hope I got that on camera. It like went right there. I hope I got that on camera. Fucking car, got the baller spec. About to put the massage seats on. You feel me? Nice little massage seats. Oh, hold on. Let's get the heat going. Yeah, okay. Nice little baller spec. Oh, man. Yeah, I would get the cravings midnight and be like, bro, I gotta get something to eat. And the craziest part about it, my girl just cooked yesterday, so. But hey, it's all good. She wanted burgers too, so we're straight, right? Like, we're good. I'm still a good guy. She wanted burgers too, so I mean, that's a plus. At least I'm not out here just getting burgers and she's cooking and shit. That'd be wrong. Hey, can I get 2 number 2s with no onions and Sprite for both? That's it. Alright, y'all, we got the merch. Then it's time to eat good. Let's go. I'm actually hyped right now, man. I'm watching Twitch. and actually I wasn't watching Twitch. Nobody was on. I've been watching DDG and them a lot lately. Always been watching DDG. And they started this Capaholics group with Deshae and everybody. Been watching that group for like a while. And my boy Deshae just got on. But later tonight, if y'all know, Blueface came home and they're doing a stream tonight with DDG. So that's gonna be lit. So I got my burgers ready, got my drinks. Now I'm about to watch some TV. I'm about to chill. Have me a nice, good night, man. Hope y'all having a good night, good morning, good day, whatever time you're watching this. I hope it's going good for you, man. And yeah, peace to you, peace to you. What Drake be saying? Peace to you, brother. Six side is the best side. What do you mean by 6? It's like y'all area codes just 6 or something? Y'all from Toronto, Ontario, you know, wherever he from, what is the 6 side? I don't really know what that means. But yeah. Nice little POV for you guys. Oh man, this little bar right here be jumping. I've never been there because it's like a shisha bar, and I heard shisha was like hookah. I ain't really into hookah bars and all that smoke. My asthma would kick my ass. I've been in a couple hookah bars. It's cool, you know, but they get outgrown real quick, you know. So whatever. Should we get 85? 85 stations right here. I should stop and get some E. I actually should. Wait. Imagine putting E in this, turn this B58 up and go crazy. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Like I said, it was gonna be a little quick, short little upload, something quick. I will be back with another upload this week with an update for the 335i, so please stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if y'all messing with the nighttime POVs, if it was a vibe. I know I ain't really speeding this one. It's kind of like a chill. Just wanted to talk to you guys. I know I've been talking to y'all a lot lately, and just want to let y'all know I appreciate y'all. So I'll catch y'all in the next